Hey, what's up people, Martin Unix here, and welcome again to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how to do inverted fishtail braid together with space buns. That is, the space buns will be made of infinity braid. So that way guys, I will be showing you on how to advance your creativity by combining styles together. Welcome guys. So guys, we are going to kick off by parting the hair at the middle, just like this guys. We are going to do the front part up to the center, where now we are going to base our infinity braid. Since I've done inverted fishtail braid before, guys, you can go on my channel. There's a video about inverted fishtail braid that is more detailed, so kindly go back on my channel and trace that video. Today I'm just going to show you on how to pair the two styles together to come up with an ultimate look. Just to tip you guys, this is how we do the inverted fishtail braid. Remember that when doing the inverted fishtail braid, it's kind of simple guys, in a way that we let the strands come over the fishtail once, just once guys. That way strands will be coming from either side. That's how you do the inverted fishtail braid guys. On this case guys, we don't do the finger eight turn. It's very simple. Secure at that point. That way. I'm gonna secure the other side as well. That way. Alright guys, now we have done the front section, that is the inverted fishtail braid at the front. Now we are going to do the nape area. That way guys, now we are going to do a single fishtail braid, that is at the nape area. Kindly go back on my channel, get more detailed tutorials about what I'm doing. Guys, today I'm not being so detailed. This is how our style looks like, guys. You can see inverted fishtail braid at the nape area, at the same two inverted fishtail braids at the front part. Guys, we are just trying to improve creativity as we have been learning together, guys. I hope you have been learning. So today we are touching more on creativity. So that way, guys, now we are going to make the two space buns. That is, we are going to do the infinity space buns. I'm just going to kick off with this side, guys. Just some divided lock strands without counting, just by the touch. That way, guys. Now I'm going to deal with this side. So that way, guys, I'm going to kick off with the infinity bun, and just for the sake of our beginners, I showed a tutorial about infinity braid bun some time back, and I'm going to kick off with 3 sections. Our infinity bun is gonna be diminishing, so I'm going to kick off with 3 sections, 2 sections, then 1 section at the back. That way, guys, I'll divide my sections into 3. That way, it's my 3 sections. Remember, infinity braid is usually formed by creating a finger eight all through up to the end. After reaching the part where the color starts, I will be leaving my strands at that end so that I can disguise the color inside the strands, which now we shall expose the color towards the finishing part. That way, I'm gonna pick another strand here continue wrapping around, creating a figure 8 that way. Upon reaching this part, guys, you just need to use your creativity, guys, to wrap around the color, just to add flavor on our style. That way, guys. Pick the color and strands, wrap them around. Just like that. We saying to create a figure 8. That's what I will do. That way, guys. Just create a figure 8 up to the point where the color starts. Leave behind the colored part because we want to be creative, guys. When it comes to creativity, you have to put so many factors into consideration. So by doing so, guys, we wrap around the strands, create a figure 8, and you'll realize that our infinity braid is kinda diminished. That way, I'm doing 3 sections at the base, 2 sections towards the end, then a barrel finish. So guys, now we have done 2 sections of infinity braid at the left side. We are going to do the same on the right side, guys. Before now I show you on how to do the space buns. Alright guys, now we are through with the infinity sections. Now I'm going to show you on how to mold these infinity sections into space buns. Remember that we are pairing inverted fishtail with infinity space buns. That is, I've done 2 sections, that is 2 sections of infinity braid at the front and 1 at the nape area. Now guys, join me as we mold the space buns together. Alright guys, now I'm going to kick off with these sections at the middle. That way I'm gonna pick one section after the other, fold it just like that. That way guys, up to that particular end. Up to that part, guys, where now I'm going to tuck in the tip like that. Pick the remaining section, try and twist it around a little bit to create a more pleasing look. Turn it around. That way. Create some room at the base and insert our remaining tip at that particular area, like that. Now guys, on this section, just to bring that similarity on both space buns, we are going to kick off by going the opposite direction. Remember, on this section we went this side clockwise. Now this section we shall go, we are going to do it anti-clockwise, that way. Go to that part. Tuck it in. Alright guys, you can have a look on how our style has come out. It's been amazing. It's a nice experience guys, pairing these two styles together. That is the infinity braid space buns together with the inverted fishtail braid. I challenge you guys to try out this one. I know you can perfect this. Keep on improving on your styles guys. It's been a high opener to the first learners, as well as being a nice style to our beginners to give it a trial. Nice look guys, you can try this one out. Keep on subscribing guys, like my work and share to your friends.